They're trying to get ahead of, what dry season can mean by doing those prescribed burns now, Dare.
Absolutely, yeah. And it's an annual thing. They got to get that stuff out of the way because conditions are fairly dry out there, of course, with the vegetation that, of course, dries out during the dry season, and also the fact that we hadn't had a whole lot of rain lately. Those gusty easterly winds will continue into tomorrow. They will turn more southerly, but we're starting to see some changes in the atmosphere. We're getting a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere now, so it's a little bit more humid, and that is allowing for a few of these scattered showers. Now, these have been coming in off the East Coast, mainly affecting portions of Palm Beach and Broward counties, down into Miami-Dade County as well. But some of them have been sneaking over into Collier and portions of southeastern Hendry County. And it's not out of the question we could see a couple of isolated inland showers tomorrow as those winds turn southerly, but it still looks like our chances for rain for the next several days look slim to none. Temperatures now around 70 degrees here in the Cape and Fort Myers. Winds are out of the east and northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So expecting winds overnight tonight to be, again, easterly and then become more southerly as the afternoon goes on. And those winds are actually going to really crank our temperatures up. You can see how we get up to the mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. That's running close to 10 degrees above our average high. Record high at Page Field tomorrow is 88 degrees. We're going to be close to that. I don't think we will tie it, but it looks like we will be dealing with some unseasonably warm weather here for quite some time. There are those streamer showers I was talking about, but we're going to turn our attention out to the west, though. This is the next storm system, the next headline-making storm system that will bring not only wintry weather on the cold side, but severe weather on the warm side. And we're already starting to see that now down towards West Texas between San Angelo and Lubbock. Some severe thunderstorm warnings there, and there's likely going to be a significant severe weather outbreak across parts of the Mid-South and the Deep South here for tomorrow, particularly in the orange-shaded area, the enhanced risk level 3 of 5, where we could see some strong long-track tornadoes here in the vicinity of Memphis and Nashville, Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi, Tupelo, Mississippi, and perhaps even Birmingham, Alabama tomorrow. So something we'll be watching carefully there. And, of course, as I mentioned on the north side, they're going to get upwards of a foot of snow and maybe a quarter inch of ice on the cold side. In the meantime, though, we're going to continue with unseasonably warm temperatures here. Notice, though, by the afternoon, forecast model trying to pick up on the possibility of a couple of isolated showers popping up along State Highway 29 tomorrow afternoon as that sea breeze starts pushing inland. It's not out of the question. It happens all the time, particularly when we start to get a little bit more humidity in the atmosphere, a little bit more moisture. And you see those winds as the afternoon goes on turn southerly, and that's where we could see a couple of those showers popping up in that zone of convergence there with the sea breeze pushing inland and those easterly winds. Forecast overnight tonight, partly cloudy, warmer, mid-60s for overnight lows. 87 for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, breezy and warm. Winds easterly, then becoming southerly, 10 to 15, gusts up to 20 into the afternoon. Here's your 7-day forecast. And you can go the 87 tomorrow, 85 on Friday. We cool off a little bit in the weekend with a cold front dropping into the area. It should be dry, though. Highs around 80 for Saturday and Sunday. And then we're right back in the mid to upper 80s Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Here are your winning Florida lottery numbers.